What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Oneplus Pad and why I think it is the best tab which money can buy. So I have been using this tab since the day it is launched and let's just talk about it. So first of all, let's just talk about the display. It's an 11.6 inch full HD plus display. It's almost as close as a 3K display and it's plenty sharp. Like as you guys can see, it is plenty sharp. It looks fabulous and the best part is it is a 10-bit color display, which does mean that colors really pop in this tab. If I do the brightness 100%, as you guys can see, it just looks fabulous. Viewing angles are also amazing, and yeah, you will enjoy watching movies and videos in this tab very much. It's almost like a laptop with how good it looks. And yeah, let's just talk about one more thing which this display has, and that is the smoothness. It is a 144 Hz display, which normally tabs at this price point do not provide you. Either they give you a 60 Hz or they just give you a 90 Hz display like Samsung, but this one is a 144 Hz display, and believe me when I say it is actually indeed very smooth. I have tried scrolling apps and using YouTube and everything. It just feels like a breeze, so that is awesome. Now talking about this performance, it has the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 series, which is amongst the fastest processors you can get. Obviously we have the OnePlus Pad 2, which has an even better processor, which is the 8 Gen 3, but still this is no doubt a slow tab. It's incredibly fast. We have 256 GB of storage, 12 GB of RAM, which can also be expanded 12 more GBs to get that 24 GB of RAM, which is awesome. And then again, not only RAM, the battery is also incredible. We have a 9510 mAh of battery, which does give me a pretty decent battery backup, so I'm never worried about the battery of this tab getting bad at any point in my life. Now let's just do some Geekbench scores and show you how well this actually performs. So I have enabled performance mode to get the best performance in this tab, and I've also run the Geekbench score many times, so I'm just gonna show you the latest one. This is the Geekbench score which I got, 1682 in the single core and 4392 in the multi-core, which is actually really good. So if you look at this score, you can actually compare this tab with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, almost like 1884, and we have 1682, which is almost comparable. And even in multi-core, this is not far behind. It is as close as a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, just a little bit less than that, maybe like an 8 Gen 1 plus, something like that. So yeah, it is still a very fast tab. You can play all the games very smoothly in this. I've actually played Call of Duty in this, and believe me, I just enjoy playing. It's awesome. It's a breeze. And talking about that, let's just talk about the cameras. Now in this tab, we get a camera at the the wider side of the tab, which is very nice because it gives you a laptop like feel, and when you're calling your loved ones, you can actually get a better idea of how you actually you can actually interact in a better way. So if you open the front camera, I know it looks crap, but I have installed Google Camera in this, and if I take an image, it will take a few seconds to process, and look at that. The image it gives with Google Camera is just fabulous. It's outstanding. It's awesome. And even in the back camera, the Google Camera makes it look awesome. So if I just take a picture, you guys can see it looks fabulous. Like the level of detail you can get from this tab's camera, installing Gcam is just the best ever. So yeah, there you go. The picture is taken. Wait for it to process, and look at that. It just looks fabulous. So in case you want to know how to install Gcam in this OnePlus Pad, do let me know in the comments below. I will tell you that as well. So that is pretty much it for today's video. It was just quick review and why I think this tab is worth it. In case you want more parts of this series, like the top 5 things I liked about this, make sure you comment down below. But that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.